Hi everybody, welcome. So I am going to make my first junk journal slash scrapbook. I am not a journaler. I have a hard time reading what I write. I am dyslexic. For those of you who don't know what that is a learning disability. And part of that includes me not being able to spell add hardly at all. When I do need to spell stuff or do stuff, I do the speak it into my phone, or I have an actual app on my tablet that I will speak into it and tell it what I want it to write, and then it will read it back to me. And it's a very long process, and to do that for journaling is very difficult, hard, too much work, and I just don't do it, even though I should. But I decided I can totally do a scrapbook type junk journal because I love the look of junk journals. I love the clusters and the ephemera and all the stuff that goes along with the junk journaling. I just don't like the journaling part because it's too hard for me. So I'm going to make my first one and put it with my own scrapbook type twist to the journaling portion. So I thought I'd take you guys along with me for and do a little series on it. I have not done one of these kind of things before. I've made scrapbooks, lots of scrapbooks, but I've never done a junk journal. So I've done a lot of calling my mom to ask her how many pieces of paper, how many, like all this stuff. So anyways, the papers that I am using, my porch print. Yes, I do hers a lot. This is her fall collection, I believe. And then this paper, and there's two different backgrounds of it. There's this and then there's this. And I love it. I think it has like a little pretty fall look to it. And they are from Shabby Cottage Studded, I don't know. I will write it below. Can't read very well. I mean, I can read, but certain words are challenging for me. So this is what I have so far for I'm only going to be doing 2 signatures because I'm going to add stuff and put a lot of pictures in this. I have a lot of pictures of my kids when they were little in the fall and Thanksgiving stuff, and I want to put them in there. So so right now I just have all of these pages for them, and I have some tea-dyed paper, which my mom did. In the front I have this. I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to put the envelopes. But isn't that paper just beautiful? I love her fall paper. It's just so gorgeous. Yeah, so when I printed this, this wound up upside down. It should be like this, but I just don't care. So we're having it that way. So this is the first one, and I'm thinking I might put one of them right here. That's a good spot. So I will be making a cover for this with some fabric. I need to close this. So luckily these have a little sticky thing, which is pretty awesome for closing, and then when the time comes I'll just snip those ends off and have a pocket there. So there we go. And then all this is the same as the others. And these two papers, outside papers, just came from my stash of scrapbook collage. I don't remember where it came from, either Hobby Lobby, Michael's, or Joann's, because those are the three places I like to shop for craft supplies. So, and I put them all different in these ones. I love this page. It's so cute. And so this one's a little further in than the other. So I think, and I'm going to put this the second page in like that. So right there. So I have no idea how this will turn out or if I'll do good or not. So if I make a fool of it, then you guys will have a great laugh. Because I'm learning. I'm sure if I do more, I'll get better at it. So, and I'm not really sure what the next steps of these are. I know you're supposed to time in, but what I don't know is if you're supposed to help decorate some of the pages beforehand. But I think I'm going to. I'm going to wait to do these. These are going to be a little different. I'm going to make, so for like this one, I'm going to make a flap that will go out this way. And it's going to get covered by paper. So I can put pictures on both sides. And then this is going to be completely covered by paper, but I'm going to have a magnet right here and paper covering this. So when I have it down, I'll pop it open and there'll be a tag in here. But this will be magnetic down so it's not flopping everywhere. I think I'm going to do those after I put the signature in. I think. And these actually I can just cut right away because I think I'm just going to put a tag in there and then put a little flap. But these aren't very strong for flaps. So let's cut these really quick. That way there's an opening at them. So I hope you guys are good. And getting a lot of crafting done and getting inspired. It's amazing. There's so many good tutorials out there and so many amazing women who craft that have such inspiration. It is wonderful. Oh, I'm going to cut the end off of this. We used to go every year to pumpkin patches, and my kids got older and no, they kind of quit going. Now they just buy pumpkins at the grocery store. It's not nearly as fun. But definitely better this year with everything going on. Okay, so here's this one. So, while with decorating this paper-wise, I think I'm going to be using a mixture of scrapbook paper and digital paper that I find. We'll just see what it is, which one I do. It will depend on how I want it done. Okay, let's chop this end off. Now, I know I probably will not put any lace in this, which is totally different for junk journals. I'm aware. I am not a big lace individual. I'll use it though when it's needed. But my mom laughs at me because I told her, she keeps asking what I want. If she were to die, which she's not allowed to for a very long time. But she keeps asking me, and I told her I want her, what did I say? I think I said her crappy lace, or her stupid lace collection. She has like this huge lace, like tons and tons of vintage and lace. She has collected it for years and years. And as much as I don't like it, I think secretly I kind of do for some things. Some things I don't. So I think what I'm going to do tonight is get some side ones done. I have made these cute little pockets, and so I want to, I don't know if I want to sew them in or just glue them in. I think I might glue these ones in. I want to get stuff sewn in before I do it. So I made these, I don't know what you'd call them, snippet rolls or something. And they're cute though. And I think I might glue them on the side and then make a little tuck spot. But I also think I might sew it instead of gluing it. So, yeah, I think that's what we're going to do. We are going to just snip it right there. And what I'm going to do then is, I am a planner and I like to lay everything out, plan on what I do. Where are my safety paper clips? So I think I'm going to just paper clip them, think about it, and sew them in when I want them. But I think I'm going to have one there because that's just really cute. And then maybe some ruffles. I like the brown. I wonder if I have just brown. Nope, but I have multi. Oh, that might be fun. Okay, I think I might see. See, I put a paper clip there. Though, do I want it that close together? Yeah, I do. And then somewhere, I do have them. I have these really cute pockets. Let's go over this side. Oh, this would be cute right here. I can totally sew that in. If I sew it right in here and right here, then I can use this also, and this and that. So let's put a paper clip right there. And We're going to do something completely different with those, and I think for right now, we're going to leave this one the way it is. I like things simple. I mean, I like sometimes things a lot, but I also am very simple. I like the simple stuff. Oh, let's see. I know I have let's see, I just made a bunch of these that are so fun and easy to make. I know I have other styles. There we go. Oh, here, that one's a little bigger. Let's make one, let's use one a little bigger. These would probably be really cute as a volley band, especially if I get it all decorated. I might have to do that. I like that idea. Okay, so we're gonna do belly bands further, I think. This would make a good side pocket. So let's just get right there, clip. I have to make cards out of those little pieces. And here we go. So I think I'm going to put belly band right here. But I want to decorate it, so this won't work. Alright, so I will wind up decorating this, but I also, I'm going to wind up sewing it. And the little bit on the top and the bottom. I like to sew. Alright. So, I think that is it for the night. I had a little bit of time. My daughter put masks in the wash after dance and needs them cleaned for school tomorrow. So, thank you for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful evening or daytime or whenever you watch this. And hopefully you will enjoy this little series. I am off to bed. Guys, have a great time crafting. Bye.